So we are fishing right here in Crouch, and I got my little one. But I will release this one because it's too small. Hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Johnny, where are we at? I just threw the line. I got one, small one. Yo, you got it, you got it, you got it. You got it, yes, 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 yes. Oh, nice. Good job, Johnny. Oh, it's good size. That's good one. This way, puppy. I can film you. Come on. I can see anything, puppy. Nice, look at that.
Nice.
Wait, 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 wait. Good job, puppy. Wait, right there. Yeah. Okay, show me. Well, it's good one anyways.
Whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, let it go. Yeah, if that would be a little bit bigger, we can take it, but it's still really small.
Just like 1 or 2 more inches bigger.
Yeah, wait, Johnny, look, Papito. Throw it to that direction. Okay, no over there because...
Which direction?
That direction.
This direction?
Okay, whatever, that.
Yeah.
So this is the third one we got right here. Wait, let me see. Oh, come on, right there. Nice, look at that. The third one, oh my gosh, it's getting crazy. Right there. The only thing, they are too small. What, Johnny? You need to speak a little loud because what are you saying?
In my backpack, I have 1 stringer.
Okay. Do you think we can keep it? No, they need to be a little bit bigger. So far we got 3, but they are kind of small ones. Oh, wow, it's trying to go under. Oh, that's good one. That's good one. Oh yeah, keep that one, keep that one. Oh. I'm coming.
Oh! You swallowed it.
Swallow it? But it's good one, look at that.
Yeah. That's a good keeper.
Yes.
I think, yeah.
Nice one.
Mountain trout.
Good one, good one. Like it. Do you need a string, whatever?
Stringer.
What?
Stringer.
Okay. That is good size. Yeah, we need to keep this one. Okay, what's it?
Ah, he's flopping too much.